Hi friends, I am Dipaman. I am going to teach you how to make a calculator app on Android Studio. Okay, at first just open Android Studio and go to the file, new and new project. Okay, now select empty activity. This is empty activity. Next, and give the name of this project. This is I'm going to give this name calculator. Okay, click on finish, and Android Studio give a page for writing our code. Okay, okay, it's building. Wait for a second. You can see it's building. Configure building, build. Okay, now resize this pen, make it small so I can. What happened? Okay, so I will write this code easily. Okay, now go to app, then Java. I don't think Java it's okay, it's already given. Okay, now go to main activity underscore main dot xml file. So at first we have to design our calculator. Okay, at first delete it. The hello world is already written by default. Okay, now go to text and take a text view. Text view for label, and this is for level 2. I'm going to give this name. Go to this attribute, select all attributes. So here we can see all the attributes of this text view. So at the bottom, yes, here the text is first number or number 1. Okay, number 1, and this is number 2. Here number 2. Okay, so and now I'm going to place these labels at his appropriate position. To make it an appropriate position, we have to connect all the sides, and now keep it and drag it where you want to place. Okay, now I think I have to do one thing. This is increase the text size 30 sp so it will visible number. What is other? Yes, number 1. Okay, and I will do the same thing for number 2. This is just a level, not where, and it will show that we have to input the second number and increase the text size. This is text size and 30 sp also. Okay, I have to increase the size little more. Yes, I can give it small. Okay, now plain text. To take the input, place it here. Okay, and second one is here. Okay, now do the same thing. This is important to place your element at its appropriate position. I think it's easier, that's why I'm doing. Okay, now for the next one. Okay, go to the top, go to the bottom. Okay, okay, now go to the text like previous one and delete it, and make the text size is 24 sp. It's so okay, so make it small, too small, it will not hamper. This is also I will delete it and make the text size 24, and it will increase it, and we will select and drag it to its own position, or it's the designing part just only. You can design your app as you want. Okay, now we have four buttons for four of basic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So take the button 1, button 2, button 3 and button 4. Yeah, here it's building and taking some time. Yes, it's the appropriate position. Okay, go to the same here, uh, text and name it addition or addition, which I'm writing it addition, subtraction, subtraction, is multiplication, and this one is division. And increase its size so it will looks good. Which subtraction, okay, multiplication, or take it here. So I can design it properly. Oh, sorry, I have to just first make this. Okay, now place it. Subtraction. do it for multiplication button also. It's just time taking, but you can increase your um, play speed, so it will better for you. Keep it here, keep it here. Okay, now increase the size little bit so it will accommodate at its perfect position. Button should be in for same size so it looks good. Okay, now take a button for clear your all the input taken. This will clear. Okay, name it clear. Where it is, this is clear, 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 and with the size 30 sp. Okay, it's 18 sp. It is okay. Division 18 sp and subtraction, and it's okay. You can change its color also, so not I am not going to give this, not I am not going to change this color, so just make this button utt when taking the variables btn1, or you can take it btn add. Okay, btn sub, btn multiplication mul, btn divide v. Okay, it's showing red because the package is not imported. Just press alt and enter, so it will import the class, import class, and here import, yes, here you can see it, import android wait dot button. The class is taken, sorry, imported. Next one is text. I have to take a text view. Text T will be capital, txt text view, text view txt1 comma txt2 semicolon. Text view package is also not imported. Press, you can see it here, it's already showing. Alt plus enter to import the package, just press and it will show you. Okay, I'm minimizing this. Okay, now btn add equals to, within the first bracket, button here id, sorry, find by id, find view by id, and it's r dot id, oh sorry, Here I have to change the ID. Here I am going to give this name number 1 text view. It's just view, it's not required. Wait, text view, edit text 1. So give it name number 1. This is our first number. Number 2 is the second number. Button, it's the button for addition. Add, bt add. Okay, on click, give here, and the ROID Android. On click, here I will give the name add. Okay, it will show you the red button. That's not will show you when I will complete the code. bt sub, and give the name Android colon. On click, yeah, sub, for subtraction. bt mul. It's so easy, not so tough. you just you have to just know the process. If you know the process, you can do it. Change the name. I'm changing this name because of simplicity. It's not required, but this code is required. Android colon on click, this is required. div. Okay, id dot button add. Okay, btn sub equals to within button button find by id, find view by id, r dot id dot its bt sub. Okay, I'm just copy and I will paste it here, because the same line I'm not going to write it again and again. btn multiplication for mul and bt mul. bt mul is not taking a weight. Okay, L is not written here. Okay, and the same thing, btn div, here div. Okay, all is taken. Okay, clear button is not. Yes, number 5, button number 5. This is btn clear. bt clear. Okay, bt clear. Keep it similar, so it will helpful for us. Android nt Android on click clear. Okay, now make this is called method. Make the method for addition. Public view public void, give the name add, within the first bracket view v. View is also not imported. Wait, what is going on? Okay, sorry, it should not be written here. here. Yes, view package is not imported, just alt plus enter. Whenever you can see that that particular package is not imported, just click on that word and press alt plus enter. The IntelliJ IDE or Android Studio will help you to import the package. Okay, so now I'm going to take the float or double. I think double will be very helpful. UPLE double num1 equals to double DOUPLE double dot parse parse double txt1 dot get text dot toString. Okay, and double, I'm not going to write it again and again. I'm just copying, Control C for copy, Control V for paste. This is number 1, this is number 2, and it will take the value from text txt2 here, which is txt. It's not mentioned. I have to mention where it is. Edit tab number 2 and number 1. Okay, just write it similar like that. txt1 equals to text view, find view by id r.id dot in01, and for txt2 I'm just copying the whole thing and paste it, and number 1 will be number 2. Okay, now if I want to print it here, I think I'm in this activity, so I have to take a here plain text, but I am going to take it, wait, why it is, don't know why. I think I should run it, otherwise it will make it trouble for me. Wait, this sign is very dangerous, this red one. Yellow one is very helpful. Yellow one will not give you any trouble, but the red one I have seen give me lot of trouble. Okay, it's loading state, give it to load. We will do our job. To take the output to the another activity, so I have to take another activity also. So go to the new, wait, click on this activity and go to the file, new. It's not showing, why it's not showing, wait, it's building, that's why it's not giving you loading state. I have to wait it, or I am writing this code and it will give me to go to the another activity. So I have to do intent help us to go to the another activity from one activity. So intent, 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 write the object of intent. I can write it in equals to give it intent pend. This is the way. Okay, new intent ent and main activity. This is the main activity which if any spelling mistake is happening, it will not give you the result. activity dot this comma, I will make this another activity for the name of result. So result dot class. Okay, intent dot put extra, give the name result comma, why it's not running, it gives lot of arrow. Okay, I think here is the main problem, the name change. Okay, I got it. I'm going to tell you why it's happening. You just write the code and I will solve this problem. You know, 1 plus, this will give you here should be num1 plus num2 in the quotation equals to, here should be plus here num1 plus num2. Okay, and start activity to connect activity intent. Here I should write intent, the object of the intent. Okay, it will close. Okay, here just copy the whole thing, Control C and give it Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, put add, this is for subtraction, SUB. Okay, give the sign here minus, give it minus, this is for multiplication, then L, this should be here, the sign is star and the operation is star also. This is divide, div. Here plus will be slash or division sign, will it return slash. Okay, now I am going to create another activity, empty activity, and keep the name its result, result. Name should be same, result Okay, it is okay. Yes, it's gone. It's gone. Nice. Reader projects is on processing. It's on processing. Wait a few seconds. I will show you what code will be written at here. Wait, this is done. I think it will run. Now it will run. Wait. No, it's not. It's building. Wait few seconds. It will just show the same design. Only the clear button is showing okay. I think it will not run again because I am not creating the okay public void clear clear view v and to clear it txt1 dot set text set text within the bracket it should be null txt2 dot set text colon okay it's not something else not wrong yes on click clear oh c is not capital this is very case sensitive you should be careful enough it will take so much time not this is my previous one building taking too much time installing everything but it's done okay yes so the structure is ready okay the next part I will show you to my next video so keep on watching thank you